Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to give you a tour of my home. So let's get started. As soon as you enter through the main door, the first thing you will see is a small corridor. Gives a nice welcoming feel to the house. On the side of the corridor there is a bathroom. It's clean and has all the necessary facilities. Next up is the kitchen. It's a small but very functional space where we cook our daily meals. We have a mini fridge which is just perfect for the two of us. I am trying to keep all my kitchen items nicely stored inside the cabinet. Some essential things are kept outside for our easy access. I also have plans to decorate and organize my kitchen even better in coming days. There is an oven and a washing machine. Honestly, it's a lifesaver. I use it for heating up foods or making quick snacks. Another super helpful thing is washing machine. It saves so much time and efforts. I also have a little shelf here with all my essential spices and cooking ingredients. Now let me show you another room in our home. This one is not a bedroom. We actually use it as our study and home office. Oh, meet my husband. He's right here. He's enjoying his lunch. He spends a lot of time in this room too when we are working and just relaxing. There is a balcony right here, so we get lots of natural light from here. And the best part, we can even see sunrise from here. It's such beautiful view in the morning. Alright, now let me show you our bedroom. This is one of my favorite spaces in the whole house. One side of the room is completely made of glass, which brings so much natural beauty. It makes the room feel open, bright and super cozy. We have two wardrobes here, and there is a small reading table and mirror as well. Simple but functional. I honestly love the room in this environment, especially when it's rain. Watching the clouds and the rain from here is so peaceful. Sometimes I sit right here with my laptop, enjoy the outside view and do my video editing. It really inspires me to be creative. And at night, the best part, you can see the moon clearly from this room. It's absolutely magical. And I recently picked up this aesthetic calendar from Shopee. It not only looks cute but also helps me to stay on track with dates and plans. From the window, we can actually see the MRT station and even Putrajaya on a clear day. As a Bangladeshi girl, I have always loved staying close to nature. Just look at these beautiful trees outside my window. Sometimes clouds gather right here, creating a such peaceful vibe. If you have any questions about my home or my lifestyle, feel free to drop a comment below.